Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a very beautiful makeup look which is actually inspired by Hailey Bieber. This is my kind of a look and I just love Hailey Bieber's look. There is something so special about her makeup, her skin, that minimal fresh skin kind of a look. So I'm going to try out that. Now before achieving this particular makeup look, you need to make sure that your skin is properly prepped. As this is a very minimal skin finish makeup look, you need to take good care of your skin before you put on your makeup. And I'm not saying that you need to have a good skin for this. I'm just saying you need to hydrate and moisturize your skin really well before achieving this particular look, so that your skin just looks plump and hydrated. I'm using my Laneige Glowy Makeup Serum for this one. This is a very lightweight serum which I personally love using underneath my foundation. If you have extremely oily skin, I will mention you to just skip this particular product, and if you don't have the Laneige one, you can go for this one. This is Makeup Revolution Hydro Bank Moisturizing Mist. Now I know this is not a serum, this is a mist, but oh my god, this is so hydrating, just like the serum. So I have a combination skin. I'm using both of them together for this look today. But if you have extremely oily skin, or maybe you are just gonna go out with this look, then I will say use any one and moisturize your skin really well. Also, never forget your sunscreen. Then I am going to do my eyebrow. Now in this look, I think eyebrow plays a very important part. Her eyebrows are like very perfect, very arched, and I am using my Inside Cosmetics eyebrow pencil for that. It comes with a spoolie at the end, so I'm using that and then the eyebrow pencil and trying to lift my eyebrow as much as I can because my face is not that lifted. So I'm trying to do that. Then for my eyeshadow, I'm using my Mars concealer and I am just blending it out all over my eyelid to have that base before my eye makeup look. For my eye look today, I will use this eyeshadow palette from Mars. This is their Mesmerize eyeshadow palette and this is their neutral eyeshadow palette, as you guys can see. So I'm going to take this eyeshadow blending brush from Miss Clear and I'm going to take that neutral brown nude color and I will focus it on the outer part of my eyes, especially the socket that you have, the crease that you have. I'm gonna put the color over there and blend it out. As you guys can see, I'm not taking the color inward, I'm just focusing it outward to have that snatched eye look. Then I am taking a deeper black eyeshadow from that palette only and I'm taking a very small precise brush and trying to draw a wing with that. In this picture, her wing is very soft, very minimal, so with the eyeshadow you can get that perfect minimal wing effect. So I'm taking just a little bit of black color and building it up very slowly. You just need to take your time and build the color up and make a small wing just like this. Just take the color and take it outward, draw the wing. Then I am going to use some mascara because today I'm going to use some individual eyelash. I can definitely say that Hailey Bieber is not wearing falsies. So I am going to keep it natural, and as I don't have that much eyelash, I am going to use some individual eyelash. Now you can use a lash glue or you can use eyeliner lash glue. I'm using this one from Miss Clear. This is their eyeliner plus a lash glue. So I'm not drawing a wing eyeliner, just putting the liner very close to my upper lash line and then using my individual eyelash. It just makes your eye look so beautiful, and I think from now I am gonna prefer individual eyelash more than falsies. They are very easy to use and they just look so natural. Then I'm just taking my mascara and blending out my natural eyelash with my individual eyelash together. This is a very important step, so don't forget to do that. Now for my base makeup, I am using Charlotte Tilbury's Beautiful Skin Foundation. Now if you don't have this product, you can use any natural looking foundation that you have. I'm using this particular foundation for the look because I want my base to be very natural and very minimal. I want my skin to just look good and my makeup to look good at the same time. So that's why I'm not going to use any full coverage foundation, just a foundation which is going to make my skin look very glowy and minimal at the same time. And then I am going to use my Mars concealer. This I actually forgot the name of the concealer. I'm just taking the concealer underneath my eyes and it actually brightens up my eyes. This just brightens up my under eyes, and that is the key, I think, in this particular makeup look, as this is a very minimal kind of a eyeshadow look that you are doing. You need to brighten up your eye a lot, not a lot, I mean you need to brighten up your eye. Then I'm taking this banana powder from Makeup Revolution. This is their loose powder, and I'm gonna set my concealer really well. This is again a banana powder, so this is again going to brighten up my under eyes, and that's it. This particular powder is so good, it just makes my skin look so flawless. And I'm gonna also use it on my mouth area. And now I know in this look you do not need to contour your face, but my face is not like Hailey Bieber, so I need to contour my face a lot. So I'm using this Rare Beauty contour stick, not a contour stick, again a bronzer stick, and I'm gonna bronze up my face, and I am gonna make it just more lifted, just to have that structured bony look. And in this look she is actually wearing a very bright pink blush, so I'm going to use this one from Persona Cosmetics. This is in the shade Bubble. Swiss Beauty also have a very beautiful bright pink blush, so you can also use that one. And for my highlighter, I'm using a very natural looking highlighter from Nude Sticks. This is Bubbly Bee, I think that's the name. And I'm just highlighting my forehead, my cheeks, my eyebrow area, my nose. And now for my lips, I am using this Nykaa lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. I think this is the closest shade that I can get. I'm not going to use any lipstick or anything else, just the lip liner to overline my lips a little bit. And also I am going to use the lip liner a little bit inward. I'm going to smudge it out a little bit inward, and that will be my lip color. Very, very natural, very subtle, very effortless at the same time. And now comes the hair tutorial. I think I just cannot explain how to do a hair tutorial. I'm very bad at doing hair tutorials, but I guess I tried my best to get as close as possible. And her hairstyle was pretty easy, but my hair is very curly. Her hair is very wavy and straight, so I tried my best to achieve that look. And I don't know how to explain the tutorial, so I guess you can just watch it. I used some bobby pin and I middle parted my hair. I just made 2 sections and pinned my hair back. I think that's it. That's the hair tutorial. Just keep on watching, you will understand what I'm doing. And this is the finished look. Oh my god, I am so happy how this look turned out. The makeup, the skin, the eye look, hairstyle, every single thing looks so beautiful. This is my kind of a perfect makeup look. If you ask me my favorite makeup look so far, I will say this one. This look is so beautiful, and this kind of look, they are actually trending nowadays, and people love showing their skin, love keeping it minimal. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this particular tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.